It was a beautiful Sunday afternoon. The air was peaceful. The house was quiet. Life was perfect.
Inside Bob's home, you could only hear a gentle wind and sound of curtains. And of course, the smiles of Bob playing, and then tiredness took over.
Time for bed. Good night.
He simply needed
Just 15 minutes.
but he slept for more than 2 hours. Then,
Wait, what day is it?
He runs around the house, puts shirt on backward, wears 2 different socks,
Why isn't this
carries remote control thinking it's his phone, tries to brush teeth without toothpaste. I! Then he ran here and there trying to find something. He imagined being questioned by the teacher.
late again!
Oh, what a miserable scene. He ran all the house in search of school's materials and her mom was confused. Finally, he ran to her mom saying he's late for school. Late for school? But we are on Sunday, and on Sunday there is no school, saying her mother. Then, as the son explained to her mom what happened, they both laughed to the rich story that could or has happened to all of us. It's really true.
Sunday naps are the most dangerous naps.